Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Analytics 4 for mobile event tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Log in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, create one. Once logged in, click on the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner of the page.
In the admin section, look for the account column.
Here, you can create a new account by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting Create Account. Fill in the account name and configure the data sharing settings accordingly.
After that, move to the property column and click on Create Property.
Enter the property name, select the reporting time zone, and the currency. Click Next to proceed to the next step.
Select the appropriate business industry category and the size of your business.
Then click Create. You will be prompted to accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service. Review the terms and click on I accept to proceed. Now, you will set up data streams. Click on Add Stream and select iOS or Android depending on your mobile platform. For iOS, provide the app name and the package name. For Android, you will need the app name and a relevant database link. After entering the necessary details, click on Create Stream. You will be provided with a measurement ID. Make sure to copy this ID as you will need it later. Next, implement the Google Analytics SDK in your mobile application. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the SDK. For Android, include the required dependencies in your Gradle file. Follow the official Google documentation to configure event tracking in your app. Add tracking code for the events you want to monitor.
Once integrated, test the tracking setup to ensure it is working correctly. Use the debug view in Google Analytics to verify events are firing as expected. Finally, wait for data to populate in your Google Analytics 4 property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.